Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sylvia Onu, a Nigerian YouTuber living in Onitsha. If this is your first time tuning in, thank you so much. So please just go to the subscribe button and hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. To my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you so much. You guys are the best. So guys, I don't know why I started this video laughing. Maybe it has become part of me that whenever I want to start my intro, I'll be laughing because that is me. That is the kind of person that I am. But then, I've not been okay. I've not been happy. A lot of things have been happening and I've been keeping quiet. But at this point, I don't think I can keep quiet any longer because I am now getting tired. Honestly, I am so tired. Anyway, before I jump right into the video, I want to remind you that I and Daine Kweme are hosting a masterclass, yes, which will be beneficiary for everyone, even Mwaneba Chidima. I am still learning, yes, and I'll be learning in the masterclass too. So if you are interested in the masterclass, please kindly send a mail to the email address on the flyer. I have the flyer on my community tab and I can also link the flyer here so you can see it. So if you are interested in the masterclass, please just send us a mail. Like I said before, I am tired of all these things that has been happening. In fact, it has gotten up to here, so I decided to speak up because I'm just tired. But before I start, let me tell you guys about a little about me and my YouTube journey. On the 13th of October, it will be my anniversary. Yes, 8 years of marriage. Yeah, I've been married for 8 years. And like I said in my maybe 10,000 videos, I said that I did not have any knowledge about YouTube. I did not know anything about YouTube. It was my husband that introduced me to this app, YouTube. I didn't know about YouTube as a single lady. It was my husband that introduced me to YouTube. He is so interested in YouTube app. He's using it every time. If he comes home now, he's going to just lie down and be watching one video or the other about maybe computer, phone, or all those things. So when he introduced me to YouTube, I started learning so many things from there. This makeup that you are seeing on my face, I learned it from YouTube. Yes. How to cook so many things, I learned them on YouTube. From watching makeup to cooking. And then when I was pregnant for my baby girl, I had to go on YouTube to search for delivery videos. I watched the one that we do call normal delivery video. And I also watched the cesarean section part because I didn't want to be scared. I just wanted to know what I was expecting. I started watching lifestyle, watching moms, how they handled their kids and so many things. So 1 year, it should be last 2 years, I came across a video on Facebook, and it was a video of Daine Kweme dancing with a huge baby bump. It was a lit pregnancy playlist video. And I was like, who is this superwoman that is dancing with this huge stomach? I know one thing that I saw in that video that I never had when I was pregnant was the energy. She's just a superwoman. That's what I saw when I saw that video. The way she was jumping, dancing, I was like, who is this? I had to go search for her name on YouTube and I found her. I decided to start from the beginning to know her more. So when I started watching her from the time she was in UK then to when she got married, I got to a video said going to my husband's place for the very first time. As I was watching this video, I saw okay Titi. Hey, next one Ibuku. I now said, wow, this person must be close to our hometown. I decided to go and follow her on Instagram. I was searching. I went down from the beginning. Then I saw her wedding invitation card. I saw her family, Agluzibo. That was when I screamed, oh my God, this woman is from Agluzibo. And I now reached out to her. I sent her a DM. Hi there, CEO, I'm from Agluzibo. And she was like, wow, how are you doing? I said I'm fine. I told her I'm a subscriber and she was thanking me. But then we started a friendship, a relationship. That is how the whole thing started. She now asked me, where are you staying? I said, I'm living in Onitsha. And she now told me, you are living in Onitsha and you don't have your own channel. I told her, I can't run a channel right now. I have a business. And guys, I have a business. I do have a business. This hair I'm wearing is from my store. I do sell it. I have a store. I have the video. I'm going to link the video somewhere. So I told her that I am running my own business, that I don't think I can be a YouTuber right now. She told me, no, you are getting it wrong. Even if you are running your business, there is nothing wrong with having another source of income. You can start your channel and you are going to be earning in thousands soon. I said I can't do it. She told me, no, you can. She was pushing me. She would call me every time and ask me, are you ready to start your channel? This is 2020. People are still, there is pandemic. People are at home. They are watching. Why not start up? One day she told me that you can title the video, that I should go to main market and title it Lockdown in Onitsha. And that was exactly what I did. I took the bold step. I started up my channel and see where I am today. Today, so many things happen and I don't know where to place these things. I started the channel and at this point I am enjoying and I'm earning in a big way. But then nobody coached me about the drama. Nobody coached me about the unnecessary enmity, the unnecessary stories that you are hearing, the things that you don't even know that people are supposed to be thinking about you. Nobody told me anything about that. Nobody coached me that this is going to happen at some point. And nobody told me that it was going to happen this early. Yes, nobody told me that. I was coached to start, do this, do that, but drama was left out. And now, guys, I don't know what to say. But because of what is happening right now, I decided to sit down and film this video to talk to you. Yes, you looking at me right now, that was planning to open a channel, but at this point is trying to say, oh, I can't do it. Oh, drama is too much. Oh, I can't deal with drama. I can't deal with side talks. I can't deal with what people are going to say about me. I can't deal with people's opinion about me. My dear, if you are one of those people trying to say this right now, you are making a mistake. Yes, I know a lot of you wanted to start, but seeing all these things, you feel like, oh, Nigerian YouTube community is not doing well. Look at, they are messing themselves up or they are doing so many things. Don't you ever say that. In every business, people must talk. In everything you are doing, you are going to get people saying so many things. So let me tell you, if you decide, if you were talking to yourself about starting up your channel at some point, but you decided to quit because, oh, there is drama, there is this, there is that, you don't want anybody to castigate you, you don't want anybody to tell or maybe say something that you were not ready for, you don't want anybody to come out there and use you, or you don't want anybody to do so many things, so many unthinkable things to you, that is your reason for saying that you are not going to start, that you are going to quit, or you are getting tired of the whole thing. My dear, you're making a mistake. If you decide tomorrow that you're going to be selling akara on your street, somebody can wake up tomorrow and say, oh, today I'm going to start my own akara business. And when that person starts, there would be competition, there will be beef. People are going to say so many things that you didn't expect. So tell me, are you going to choose selling akara and getting drama too, or opening your channel, letting love in? Because one good thing about YouTube, apart from the cash side though, as only now, you know now, the first thing that I'm going to think about is the money. When the money is coming in, every other thing is just rubbish. It doesn't concern me. It's just flying away from my ear. Once money is entering, nah, make noise, do anything. Or what are they to them? Chidema is not seeing it. So apart from the money, another thing is the love that you are going to get on this platform. There are people who love you for nothing. They just love you. They just see you and they love you. So you're going to miss out on that. A lot of people who you don't know from Adam, that will just see you. Oh, I like this woman because of her person. I like her because of her personality. Oh, I love the makeup she wears. I love her hair. I love this. And you're going to miss out on this because you think you are going to quit because of drama. Nah, don't even think about it. Sit down. Get your camera. Put it in front of you. Film. I am here to encourage you. If you have been sitting down, if you have been watching people, but you don't think that you can start, oh, because of what? Drama or this, you don't know what to do, you don't know what to say, my dear, talk to yourself. Watch others do it. I did it. It's 4 months now. And go and check my channel. It's, as of this morning, is 17.6 people that are following. So you can, as a wonderful image of God, because we are all made in God's image, you can do it. No dream is too small to come true. There is nothing that you see that you want that you can't get in life. Yes, all you have to do is to take the bold step. And I'm here to thank Diana for making me take that bold step, because I am enjoying myself and I'm reaping that fruit, okay? And when I say that this is going to affect people, I am referring to those people that will be thinking of quitting because it's not working, or we thinking of quitting because there is drama, or be thinking of not starting ever again because they don't want drama, they don't want people to talk about them, they don't want to fail. You are the reason why I'm here making this video. Don't you ever think about it, okay? You have to get up, dress yourself up, sit down, film, and enjoy your work. Monday, some people will say I hate Mondays. Now Monday, but because you hate what you are doing, no. If you love what you are doing, and I don't think anybody will sit down and say, oh, I hate filming. No. If you love what you are doing, you are going to enjoy your Mondays. If Monday is coming like this, you'll be smiling. Oh, welcome to another filming day. My dear, get up. Get yourself a good phone. Sit down, make your videos. If you don't want to sit down, go out there. Go explore. Meet people. If not for anything, meet people on this platform. People that will love you for nothing. They just want to love you because of what? They know you and they enjoy watching you. Sit down, make them happy. Enjoy whatsoever you are doing. And thank God and pray to Him for grace and luck. Yes, because you need it to prosper. Okay? So sit down, film, and thank me later. That is why I'm here. So please, if this is your first time tuning in, thank you so much for coming in. And please just go to the subscribe button and hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. You know what I go? Enjoy and see you guys next time. Bye.